Hello students, welcome to your education. I am Jitendra Tyagi. So I am with you again to share one important notification. You can see that is from Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. Okay, a government of Odisha undertaking. So they are going to recruit junior management trainee electrical. Okay, junior management trainee electrical branch. They are going to recruit. So we can see the details of the vacancy. In unreserved category there are 45 posts, in SC category 12 posts, ST category there are 13 posts, total 70 posts are there. Okay, and some posts are reserved. So you can see here in this PDF, for ex-servicemen, for person with disability, there are some reservations in the seats, right? Now in this job there will be 1 year training. After the selection there will be 1 year training, and then some probation period will be there, and after that finally you will get the appointment, right? And there is some service agreement bond also. So kindly read the conditions of this bond. It is for serving a period of minimum 4 years including the period of training. Okay, so आपको ट्रेनिंग को मिला के टोटल 4 years मिनिमम जॉब करना है यहाँ पे if you join this organization. ठीक है. Now essential qualification for junior management trainee electrical, it is diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering with at least 60% marks in aggregate from a recognized university. Okay, and for SC, ST and PWBD it is 50% criteria. Okay, so केवल इलेक्ट्रिकल के लिए पोस्ट हैं और डिप्लोमा बेसिस की पोस्ट हैं, 60% मार्क्स रिक्वायर्ड हैं. ठीक है, जनरल के लिए. Age 21 years minimum and 32 years maximum. Okay, upper age limit. And in different categories we all know that we have some relaxations in age. Okay, so that is mentioned here. For SC 5-year relaxation, for ST, for women, and for ex-SM, ex-servicemen it is 5 years maximum, and then for PWBD it is 10 years, up to 10 years. Okay, now the date of birth entered in high school certificate or birth certificate issued by the concerned authority will only be accepted. Okay, जो भी आपके हाई स्कूल में या बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट में डेट ऑफ बर्थ मेंशन है उसी के हिसाब से कैलकुलेशन होगा. ठीक है. देन रिजर्वेशन वी कैन सी हियर कंडीशंस ऑफ रिजर्वेशन ऑफ पोस्ट इंक्लूडिंग रिजर्वेशन फॉर वुमेन विल बी एज पर द ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट रूल. ओके, एंड other important point, medical fitness, what conditions are required. So kindly go through this and check your medical condition. Now provision for departmental candidate. Okay, so those who are working in this already, they must read this line. Now other eligibility conditions. So candidate must be citizen of India. Okay, and main requirement is knowledge of Odia. Okay, fluently. So you must be able to read, write and speak Odia language fluently. That is main requirement. So kindly keep this in your mind. Now what is the selection process in this? So selection process involves CBT. ठीक है. So this selection process will be based on CBT and personal interview. ठीक है, एक टेस्ट होगा, उसके बाद एक इंटरव्यू होगा, और दोनों में आपको क्या क्या परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे होगा. In CBT there will be total 200 questions, 80% means 160 questions from technical, and then 10% from numerical and GK and reasoning, and then 10% from English. Okay, so ये CBT 3 hours का होगा total, and there will be negative marking also, and then candidates who qualify in CBT and be shortlisted will be called for personal interview in the 1/3 ratio in each category. Okay, then merit list will be prepared on the basis of performance in the CBT and personal interview. Weightage for CBT will be 80%, weightage for personal interview will be 20%, right? Now other things we can see here, minimum qualifying marks in CBT is 50%. To qualify CBT, minimum 50% marks compulsory. For general OBC, EWS, and for SC, ST, PWD it is 40%. But in personal interview there is no qualifying marks. Okay, note down this point. Now application fee also you can see here, and you have to apply online, and CBT centers information you can see here, mostly in this Odisha state, Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Sambalpur, Behrampur, Balasore, okay, Dhankanal, etc., depending upon the applications. Now other general instructions you have to read before applying. Now last is how to apply. So online you have to apply, okay. These are the documents required, kindly go through them. And now important thing is date. So this registration started on 30th of January and it will end on 28th of Feb. So 28 February, 28th of Feb is the last date to apply. So kindly keep this in your mind. All diploma holders in electrical engineering who are willing to join this must keep this in your mind. So kindly apply if you are eligible, if you are interested in working with this organization. Okay, that is good job. All the best.